a lot of movement which has been taking place right outside the residence of JP Nadda. Yesterday there was a meeting also which took place between General Secretary Organization BL Santosh and JP Nadda, and it was basically focused on the ally which is all set to get its representation in Modi Cabinet Rejig 2.0 JDU. There was a talk, and BL Santosh had also briefed JP Nadda about the kind of demands those were put forth by JDU. So now finally things have settled down. What we are given to understand is that more and more, around 20 people, 20 leaders will take oath today at around 6 p.m. Let me also try to show you pictures, though, from right outside the residence of JP Nadda. Though as of now there is no movement since beginning, but that's the same place where we have seen series of meetings taking place. At Prime Minister's residence also we have seen as to how JP Nadda reached, and also Home Minister Amit Shah was also the part of series of meetings those have taken place to review about the performance of many ministries. And after this final call has now been taken, calls have already been made to many leaders who are also to take oath. Many of them, including Sarabjit Sonowal, Jyotiraditya Scindia, Narayan Rane, they are already in Delhi. A few of them have already been alerted, and they will reach, in some time. So what we are given to understand is that at around 6 p.m. this oath-taking ceremony will take place at Darbar Hall in President House. Looking at COVID protocols, only one member of the family has been allowed by the President's office. But it will be very interesting to see as to who all are going to be the part of Modi Rejig 2.0. We have seen every time Prime Minister Narendra Modi giving surprises. Though we have guessed few names, including Jyotiraditya Scindia, who is all set to become minister. We are also seeing as to how supporters have also reached here at the residence of Jyotiraditya Scindia, supporting him and also congratulating him for being coined or being called in Delhi. We are learning that he might take oath. Also, representation will be there by some allies, including JDU. Apna Dal is also going to have its representation. Nishad Party is also set to get its representation. So these leaders either they have been called in Delhi or they are here in Delhi. So movements are now taking place in National Capital at 6 p.m. This meet will take place at Darbar Hall, where these leaders have been called in, and then oath-taking ceremony will take place. If we talk about the criteria, what we are told is that young and educated leaders will be given representation. Also important to understand is that leaders having experience of administration, even they will be considered. So today it's going to be a very big day as far as this expansion is concerned, cabinet expansion is concerned. What we are also told is that it's the first cabinet expansion of PM Modi